Sanket, Panchatantra. The birds, tree, and the hunter. There was a large tree in a village. Many birds had made their nests on the tree and lived there happily, eating the fruits of the tree and enjoying its comfort. The birds would lay their eggs, hatch them, and lead a happy life there. A creeper started growing at the base of the tree. An old and wise bird tried to peck and remove the creeper. When the other birds asked the reason for its action, it replied, "This creeper will pose a big trouble in future. It is wise to remove it while it is young." The other birds laughed at the efforts of the older bird, saying that, "What harm a small creeper can do to us?" The old bird reluctantly withdrew. As the time passed, the creeper grew all around the tree trunk and became like a ladder. Once, a bird catcher was passing that way. Saw the tree with lots of nests. He climbed up easily using the creeper as a ladder and took away the eggs laid in the nests. Some of the nests, too, were damaged. The birds repented for not heeding to the advice of the wise bird in removing the creeper when it was small. Moral of the story: any problem must be addressed when it is small.
PT Story Channel.